Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to optimize Windows 10 to boost system performance and speed up your PC for gaming. First off, click on the Windows Start menu and click on the Settings icon. Once inside, go to the Update and Security tab. Next, go over to the Check for Updates button and press on it. If there is an update, download and install the update to ensure that your PC is running on the latest version of Windows 10. Now, we're going to turn off any tasks or services that are slowing down your PC. Open Task Manager using Control, Alt, Delete, or by right-clicking on your taskbar and pressing Task Manager. Head over to the Services tab and scroll down until you see Services with Xbox in the title. Right-click on each one and press Stop for these processes. This will turn off the Xbox Live feature on Windows 10 and should help quite a bit. Now, head over to the Startup tab and disable everything you see. Exit Task Manager and click on the search bar in the bottom left corner. Click on the Cortana settings icon on the left. Next, turn off everything relating to Cortana. Now click on the Home button in the top left corner and click the Gaming tab. In each and every gaming tab, turn everything off. This removes the Windows game mode to free up memory and get your PC running smoothly. In this next step, we're going to be cleaning up waste files from your PC. First, go back over to the Windows search bar and type in %temp%. Click on the folder icon. Now, select every file and press the Delete key on your keyboard, or right-click and select Delete. This will get rid of waste files from applications on your PC. Once this step is completed, go to your desktop and right-click on the trash can icon. Select the Empty Recycle Bin option to ensure these files are completely gone. Next, download the app CCleaner through the link in the description below. Once downloaded, run the installer and wait for it to finish. When it's done, open CCleaner. In the Quick Clean tab, click Analyze to run a system scan. When the scan is complete, click Clean All. Now, go to the Registry tab and scan for issues. When the scan is finished, click Fix Selected Issues. This process will get rid of unwanted data and fix issues on your PC. Next, we're going to adjust some performance settings. Go down to the Windows search bar and type in "this PC". Right-click on the icon and select Properties. Now, click Advanced System Settings. In the Advanced tab, go to Settings under Performance. For visual effects, uncheck everything except for Show Thumbnails instead of Icons. The Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts option is optional and is up to you to decide. Next, head over to the Advanced tab. Make sure the Adjust for Best Performance Of option is set to Programs. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives and select the first drive labeled. Head down to the paging file sizes and set it to Custom Size. For both initial and maximum size, type in your recommended paging file size. Click the Set button and repeat this for any other drives you have. When finished, press OK, press Apply, then OK, then restart your PC and come back to the video when you're done. Head over to the Windows search bar and type in Power. Click on Edit Power Plan. When inside, go to the top and click Power Options. Now, go down to Additional Power Plans and click the drop-down menu and make sure High Performance is on. Next, click Change Plan Settings next to High Performance. Change the two options to your liking and go to Change Advanced Power Settings. Go over to the hard disk option and click Turn off hard disk after. Turn the setting from default to a value of 0. Also, go down to PCI Express and go to Link State Power Management, then change the setting to off. Finally, go down to Processor Power Management. Click both Minimum and Maximum Processor State. Make sure both are set to 100%. These settings will give you max performance in every game or application. Moving on to the last step, right-click on your desktop and click Nvidia Control Panel. If you don't have this option, use the link in the description below to get your Nvidia driver. To find what graphics card you have, go to the Windows 10 search bar and type in Run. Click on the icon and type in DXDIAG, then click Run. Once open, head over to the Display tab and your GPU should be listed under Devices. In the Nvidia Control Panel, click on Adjust Image Settings with Preview. Click on the Use My Preference Emphasizing option and drag the slider to Performance. Now, go to Manage 3D Settings and follow these settings very carefully. When finished, click Apply and close the control panel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And also check out Fatal Grips at fatalgrips.com. Also check out my Patreon, patreon.com/madlyyt.